your girl Joe, and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be filming a makeup tutorial on this nice little blue eyeshadow look. I'm calling it Summer Blues makeup tutorial because recently, especially this entire week, it's been like a really disgusting outside. It's been humid. It's like on the bridge of raining but not raining. I haven't seen the sun since like last Saturday, so I don't know what's going on. So this is reflecting the mood and everything of this week of summer. Hey guys, so my face is already primed, eyelids are primed, eyebrows are done. You guys know the drill. I'll be using my Maybelline The Nudes palette, and I'll be using this color as our transition shade. Okay, so now we'll be taking this like darker brown and concentrating it on the crease to kind of build up the smoky eye. Okay, so now we're finally gonna go into black, but we're just gonna do it like right in the inner crease and not completely on the outside, because black gets messy and we don't want it to look messy. So we're gonna use this Jane shimmer in Bluebird, and we're not gonna cut the crease or anything because there's really no need to, because this blue is so nice and compact, so nice and vibrant, and like the pigment's amazing that like it'll work. So like look at that pigment, it will work perfectly fine on the lid. Just gonna get this flat brush and we're just gonna build up the color. Now we're just gonna go back in with the, not our transition shade, but our dark brown, and just kind of bring it down above the blue so it looks more united, blended. So it looks really nice and blended. We're gonna go back in the blue with a little bit, just one more time, because I really want this look to be vibrant. Like the eyes are the focal point of this entire look. Now we're gonna get this shade from the Nudes palette, this one, this like little nice white shimmer, and we're gonna put it in our inner corner, and then we're gonna use this as also a highlight and use it for our brow bone, because it's actually a very nice color and I love this so much. And now we're gonna do under our brow bone. Yeah. Okay, so I went ahead and did my mascara off the camera. So now I'm going to be highlighting and contouring my face, because it's summer, we really don't want to put on foundation. It'll be icky and sweating off, and it's not worth it in the summer to be wearing foundation every day. So I'm gonna highlight and conceal and contour. I know this is kind of low-key light for my face, but I mix it in with my contour color to make it like the perfect shade. But it actually works really well and conceals really nicely. And then get contour shade. Oh, I didn't tell you guys the color. So this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Almond, and this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Dark Cocoa. Contour my forehead a little bit. So now we're just gonna blend out all the concealed areas. Now I'm gonna use my oval brush and contour the parts that need to be contoured. Yeah. I don't know where my words are today, guys. I know it might look a little crazy now, but it's okay. We got this. It's gonna look fine. So I'm gonna take this big powder brush that I have and just kind of blend all the concealer into my skin, and then I'll go in with my Soft Focus Milk, my Black Radiance finishing powder. Now that everything is seamlessly blended, we're gonna go in with our powder. Okay, now that I powdered my entire face, we're gonna go back in with this nice little highlight shade that I used for my inner corner and brow bone. Then use that as a highlight. We're gonna go back in with this and just blend it out. Now, onto lip products. So I'm gonna use this mini Marc Jacobs lipstick in Kiss Kiss Bang Bang, which is number 216. And then I'm gonna mix it with my Academy of Color, just basic matte brow lip. This actually smells like chocolate, guys. I never noticed it. Like I never could identify the smell, but it smells like chocolate. Now I'm just gonna focus this on the middle of my lips. And now the last and my favorite part, we're gonna spray some setting powder. Ooh. Now we're gonna fan, just let it dry a little bit. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you want me to experiment with more fun looks, just let me know. I actually really love color in my makeup. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. I'm blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday.